Go in half a thou. Go back out. Stop there. All right, I'm gonna measure it. Let's see if I can measure it with the camera on. You probably won't be able to see it. 5629, 5628. So 5, 6. I need to take 3/10. 3/10. Let me dial 2/10 and see what happens. One, 2/10. Hit the shoulder, but not too hard. Come back. All right. 9/16 is what we're after. 5625. 56255. 566.5. 5627. 5627. 5627.5. 7 to 9. 5627. 5627. So 2/10. We dial 1/10 and a half. Okay. 56250 is what I'm after. Five 56250. Beauty. Five 56250. Beauty. 56255. 56250. Okay. So that is 9/16. So we are jamming. Okay. We got this whole thing done. Okay. So sorry for the close-up, but that's what we were doing. We're grinding the Hendey shaft. You can see it's got that key feature. So what you want to do is loosen that, tighten that before you start. It should have more tension on it. I have my number and it's 0, but if you loosen that, I should have more tension on it. So you give it a little and then you lock it again. I should have done that, but it did see now it's hard to turn, hard drawer to turn, because it expands and cools, and I got that CMD lube in there. That's what you use. Anyhow, successful grind. Yeah, just wanted to show you guys the final. So that was easy, and if you can look down, it's got the cutaway center. Can you see that cutaway center? Focus. Okay. And there's a Woodruff key seat. So that's 3/4. That's the long one's 5/8. And like I said, the little one is 9/16. So this is the original. So I made the big journal a little longer because it was short for some reason in the bearing, in the bushing. So this is the replacement I made for the old one here in my hand. Quite proud of this. That's D2 hardened to RC56. This thing, I don't know what it is, but it was soft and the bronze tore it up. So, so this is done. I wanted to show you something I made for the stops. Now these table stops aren't upside down. This should be there and should be flipped over, but I got them, there's plenty of clearance. I got them aimed down on purpose because there's that block. Let me kind of give you perspective here. So it's got 2 dowel pins and 2 cap screws, 5/16, 18 cap screws. So normally this is a hand feed machine. This would have had a reversing lever here. But since it's a hand feed, I don't know what it's supposed to have, to be honest. But this wasn't here, but there was the digital readout block there. The digital readout encoder, what do you call it? Encoder sensor for the linear readout. That was there, but I needed something with stops because of the shoulders on the part. There's the shoulders. So I needed to bump that wheel up against the shoulder, and I had to set a stop. So got these off a gentleman on Practical Machinist, had to fix them a little bit, and this is just 1018 steel, and I made this off camera. So we'll show you again more progress on the shaft for the Hendey. So till next time, Doozer Shop.